Hello everyone, if you're trying to play Outrageous and you keep getting this error, corrupted install detected, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix this annoying error on Outrageous easily. So first off, what you're going to do is you're going to go to your Outrageous directory. So just open up your Explorer, go to your Outrageous directory. The default directory will be in your C drive, program files 86, Steam, Steam apps, common, and here Outrageous. Now what you're going to do is you're going to right click on Outrageous, go into properties, and here you're going to go into security, and then what you're going to do is you're going to click onto edit here, and then just go to all of the users, and then make sure to give access to all of the users. And once you're done with that, click apply and then click OK. After that, click OK again. After that, what you're going to do is you're going to close out Steam, and then you're going to open up your start menu. You're going to search for Steam on here. You're going to right click on Steam, click open file location, click open file location here again, right click on Steam here, go into properties, go into compatibility, click run this program as an administrator, click apply, OK, and then run Steam as an administrator. And once you're in Steam, now you're going to come here and you're going to try to play Outrageous, and when you try to play the game, you'll see that your game will work correctly and you will not get that corrupted install detected error anymore. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.